The Constitution of India. Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello, SMAPy children. How are you all? Good. So here I am again joining with you through this virtual class with a new topic. Before that, I would like to share an information with you. Last day, I happened to watch a video of our former president, Dr. Kalam sir. In that video, he is beautifully explaining how we can succeed in life by following 4 simple rules. So students, do watch it and make use of the points. It is available in YouTube. So I think you will be following, is it? So let's start our session. Yes. So last class we have discussed second chapter, the starting of the chapter, that is how to use styles in a LibreOffice writer and how we can apply in a document and the use of clone formatting tool, is it? So let's see the next section, that is how to modify the particular styles in a LibreOffice writer. It is available in LibreOffice writer, that is already we have default styles. If you need to change them or modifying the particular content means how we can change in a particular styles. Let's see how to do that. For modifying the styles, we have style window, is it? In that small box you can select the styles option. If you need to change the heading, that is title of that style means you can choose in that and right click on the particular heading. Then let's see the window. By selecting you will get a window like this, styles window. In that you have different options, organizers, indent, spacing, alignment like this. So in that you can't change the name of the header. Styles name it will be displaying organizer. So don't change that, and you can change the option, that is font. If you need to change any font styles, families means you can change in that option. If you need to change bold or italics means you can apply in that. And here the size, it will be available in percentage or it is in point. And here this Western text format, that is font style, is using for English letters or English documents. If you need to apply in Malayalam documents means you can use this CTL font. Okay, if you need to use in Malayalam document means you can use CTL font, or else you can use this common font. If you need to change the font colors and any styles, shadow effects or anything means you can use this font effects. That will be showing in our practical video following with this. Okay students, so how to use this? Open the style window, it will be displaying that, and if you need to change the heading 1 means just right click on the heading 1 and you will get an option as modify. In the right click option you can find new, edit and modify like this. In that you have to select modify. Clear? And from that window you can change the font style, color and the particular distance, margin, size and everything. If you need to use for Malayalam means you can use CTL font. And in normal format, that is English document means you can use Western font. Why these are using, that is if you need to change the styles, if you need to change any style format means you can use in a particular section. Okay, after completing this just click apply and click OK. Clear? Okay, fine. available in already in that particular section. If you need to create your own style means it is possible in that LibreOffice Writer. That options also it will be available. So we'll see how to create a new style. Let's see. Creating a new style. Like this, if you are clicking, you have to create a subheading for a title or a heading 1 or a heading 2. We can create in that option. Same as right click on the particular heading and in that you will get an option. So same as select the styles, just right click on the option, you will get an option as new. Then how to create a new style. That is same as to modify, you have the step as how to create a new style. Same as to modify. So we'll see how we can create a new style in LibreOffice Writer. Same as if you are modifying the style, you will get an option as to change or you can create a new style. That is, just click on the heading which you have selected. If you are selecting heading 1 or heading 2, that is the sub option will be which is displaying as your new style. Okay, so here just select the heading and right click, you will get an option as new. In that you can see new, modify and edit. So you can see that is select new option and same as the organizer window will be displaying. In this, if you are creating a new style, just give your style's name in the organizer. Default it will be seen as untitled. Just give your sample names of your new style and just adjust the alignment. It will be in center, right, left. You can choose any type of style. An example will be showing in the following video. Clear? And you can adjust the font size, font color. If you need to apply any special effects means you can apply. If you are giving for a Malayalam font means you can use this CTL format. In this you can select not only Malayalam language, you can use all the Indian languages also. Okay students, so like this you can enter the details and just click apply. It will be displaying below the main heading or heading 1 or heading 2 which you have selected. Okay, so these are the options which is available in LibreOffice Writer to apply the styles options. You can modify the styles or you can create new styles. Like this you can use in your document. Okay, this is an important topic for your public exam. You will get a choice for your practicals. Clear? Let's go for the another activity related with this styles, that is table of contents. In every document like magazines, your textbooks or anything, you will have an index. If you have a number of pages, you should follow an index to identify the particular pages. Is it? How we can create an index? Generally you are typing the sections. Is it? So to make easy to create an index, we have an option in LibreOffice Writer. How to? After applying a particular styles of 4, the main headings and subheadings, with that content you can create an index. How we can create? So after selecting, if you need to display your index in first page, generally we are using the first page to include the index. So just click on the cursor on a particular page and select the options table of contents and index. From table of contents and index or bibliography from the insert menu. In the insert menu you have an option that table of contents and index. Here you can choose table of contents or index or bibliography. That is the three things it is similar one. Okay, we are giving the different names. That's all. Clear? So choose that option and just click on OK. Automatically the table of contents will be displaying like this. Here that is I am showing an example of a Malayalam document. So like this, if you are giving the heading as index or table of contents like this, it will be displayed. And if you are giving in particular styles for each subheadings means it will be displaying according to its page number. Can you see that? Yes. So if you want to reach the particular page, you just press the control button and click on the particular line. this will take to your particular page. So like you can use the contents in a particular document. If you are reading any e-book or anything, it will be available in that particular documents. Clear? Good. This is also an important question for your practical. So go through carefully. Okay. I will show the practical section. So let's go to the next one. The main topic in this chapter is mail merge. What is mail merge? Okay, for example, you have to send an invitation for your friends and families. It will be the same content, is it? You are typing a copy and you have to print, and you have to write the name and address of the different peoples to send this, is it? If you are sending through email, means how we can. For example, you have to type everything, is it? For address and name. To avoiding this, before you have collected the names and address of your recipients, and you can send and you are saving the file into a particular Excel file. Okay, and you have to retrieve the contents. So let's see, it's an easy method to use the particular sections. Okay, that technique is known as mail merge. Clear? And you have already a format of letters, and you have to automatically generate the 50 numbers or 60 number of letters by adding the name and address. Each time you can't copy and paste the contents, is it? So we have an easy method. In that, open your letter or any invitation contents and just go to insert menu. In that you have an option fields and select more fields from that. Okay, and here you will get a window like this. Fields, after selecting the content, you will get a window like this. In this, choose option database. That is, you have to retrieve the address and information which is your saved in a particular Excel file. Okay, that is option of database, and here you can choose option mail merge field. Clear, students? After clicking that, you can click on browse window to add your address and name which is saved in a particular file. So just click on that, you can select the option address, and here it will be saved. After that, click on this section, you will get the contents whatever you have saved in a particular file. And you can drag the contents to the letter field. And finally, after dragging, I will show you in the practical video, then only you will be getting the idea. Okay, so after dragging, just close the window and you are arranging the content, and next after arranging, just go to file menu. In that you will get an option as print. Just click on print, you will get the window like this. So how many address and contents you have added, that details will be displayed here. And just select the option file. You are going to save the content into a file format in a single document. So choose option as single document. In that, the 50 address or 60 whatever it is, how many address it is you have added, that many documents will be displaying in that particular content. And you are going to save as a single document by clicking OK. You will get a box to save the file. You can give the name of your content and just save it. Okay, after opening that, you can print the contents, how much you need to or want to send. Okay, so this is the easy method to send such invitation or certificates. If you have the students' details, that is name, class and grade, if you want to give the certificates for different items, means you can do that particular option, that is mail merge. Clear, students? For Kalolotsavam, sports day, whatever it is, we are getting different certificates, is it? So for this we can use, that is, first you have to create a format and you can use it repeatedly. Clear? So go through that particular steps very carefully. It is also an important question for your practical exam. Okay, so just you should write all the steps in your practical note related to creating new styles, modifying the styles, applying the mail merge. Okay, we'll go for the practical session now. Let's see. So student, after we have created the new style, just apply the subheadings, select the subheading and double click on that. Now we are going to apply the style to every subheadings. So select the subheading and use your clone formatting tool, double click on that and just apply on the every subheadings. Okay, in the last class we have discussed how to use this clone formatting tool, is it? So like this you can apply the contents or the new style to your document. And next we are going to include the index of this document, that is table of contents. So before that I have to arrange the cursor to include this index and tables. Now go to insert menu, select the option table of contents and choose the option table of contents. So now you will get a dialog box like this. Here if you need to include the name as index means just change the name, or else you can keep table of contents and just select the style type, that is heading 2 we have discussed, and in that new one is we are used. Okay, just select that and click OK. So now we are going to include the index and tables. Go to insert table of contents and select the option. Here you will get the option to type index, or you can include table of contents and go to styles. In this, which type of contents you have to include in index means you can choose. Here I want to include the subheading, so I have used the new one style for that. Select this and click OK. Here you are getting the page number and particular headings of the particular page. So just press the control key and click on the headings, which will take you to the particular page. Can you see that? So here like this you can use the concept of index and tables. So these are the main contents which we have studying using this styles in LibreOffice Writer. So next we have to discuss about mail merge, how to create the number of invitations and the number of certificates like this. Such documents we can create in using LibreOffice Writer. Let's see. So students, next we are going to see the activity of mail merge, how we can send a number of invitation or how we can create a number of certificates for the children by applying the mail merge concept. Okay, within a second you can create a number of documents like this. In real life we can apply for the TC and certificates and in invitations like this you can apply that. So first of all I have to select the format of an invitation. Just open, go to the letter. We are sending in PTA meeting letters for our parents means, so just select that letters. And here you are getting dear parent like this. So Next you have to add a address and the name of the students for the meeting, is it? So first go to insert, field, more field, and here you can choose the option is database, mail merge field, is it? And just click on browse to select the file which you have already saved the name of and address of your parents or whatever it is. So here select parents.ods, open it, just click on the arrow. You are getting an option is sheet 1. Here you have got the option is name of the parent, and here just click on the cursor where you have to place the content. So just drag it over here and place that. So automatically the number of students name it will be displaying. And next is click on the next section and select the option. The another method is just press the option insert. So the required field is you have selected and placed, and after that close this box. Okay, and the final step is go to file, print, and just click the option yes. We are going to print in a form of a letter. So here you have got the name of student and parent, and click save as single document. In a single file you are getting the different letters. We'll show you after clicking this. So click OK and save the file. That is I am giving the option as parent. File name, anything you can type in that. Just save. Your file will be saved in that single document. We'll see that now it is ready. Let's see what are the things it is in that. Here it is, the parent. See here Vijay K is name of student and name of parent, and next one is in the next page. Like this you can create till 50 number of parents in a class, or how many records you have to use you can include in that. Clear? So during exam they will give a format as ODT file, and another one is ODS. The ODS file you have to add it for a particular content. Okay, we'll see how to create a certificate. Just go to file, open, same the method. And I am selecting the option is sports ID. Just open it. You have got a design, and now you can add the names of the students. Go to insert, field, more fields, and here it is mail merge, browse the field, go to the resource file, and here you are getting the sports ID, sports.ods. Can you see that? Yes. Click on open and just click on the sheet. Here name of the student and item you have to drag. Click on the cursor on that and just drag name, and here just place item. While dragging you should very serious. I am just selecting the option. Okay, click close and go to file, print, yes, and select the option as file. You have to keep it as a file and save as a single document. Here it is, ID card like this. I am saving the file name. Click save. Just open it. You can see the name of the student and item. Can you see that? So like this you can create any type of documents using mail merge technique. Okay, clear? So in Windows also it is available in the MS Office Word. It is mail merge wizard like that. We can select the options. So I think you have understood the concept. We'll see you in the next class. I hope you have understood the contents which we have explained in the practical section. So complete your practical notes and go through the points. If you have any doubt, please contact me, and study well and be safe at home. Don't go outside frequently. Have plenty of water and the C vitamins. If it is available, means have lime water frequently. Okay. So we'll see you in the next session. Bye students.